8 ways to make money with little to no investments and tips to succeed in them, worldwide. Some of these strategies to make extra money will require you to be in certain localities, while others are location independent. This is part 1 of 3. Check out the other videos for more options. 8. Drive for Uber, Lyft or your local taxi app. On YouTube I have come across people making up to $8,000 a month with this hustle. Even if you're introverted, you can apply to transport food instead of people. Transport companies offer a great opportunity to make some quick cash. You'll need a clean driving record, a fairly new car and the authorization to work wherever it is that you live. If you have all of those things, you can work when you want, whether that's in the middle of the day during rush hour, or in the wee hours of the night on a weekend. The choice is yours. 7. Apply for physical jobs on online platforms. Find a local app that may offer this or a similar job. I would recommend Amazon Home Service, TaskRabbit for Americans, Gigi for most parts of Africa. Amazon is getting into the task business with Amazon Home Services. The services listed range from very small repairs to larger and more involved tasks that would take considerably more effort. You could apply for the slots over school holidays or when you're free. TaskRabbit lets you tap into an existing marketplace of people looking for help locally with chores. The tasks aren't always small. This platform, along with others, offers bigger tasks, such as home renovations and others. 6. Become a market research participant. Companies are always looking for consumers' opinions on a variety of products and services. They may go about this by giving out online surveys. Those in the US pay a higher amount, averaging $15 an hour for this service. If you're not in the US, you can use a VPN to change location, helping you get better pay rates. This often involves writing or stating your opinion, answering polls or surveys, or participating in a discussion group. The mechanics don't matter much. The point is that you can rely on it from time to time. Focusgroup.com is just one company that is looking for participants. Other sites include Survey Junkie, Google Opinion Rewards, Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, LifePoints, Vindale Research, Toluna. 5. Deliver for Postmates, DHL, UPS. You can earn some cash when you're in by using Postmates, and you don't even need a car, just a bike for deliveries in busier cities and downtown centers. I've used it often to get food from specialty places that don't deliver themselves, but it can be used for many things. Postmates states on their website that you could earn up to $25 per hour doing deliveries. You could also earn some tips in the process, so it's a great option for people that are looking to do something in their spare time, similar to the big ride-sharing apps that are hogging up app stores everywhere. 4. Flip real estate contracts. This actually requires no money. You can flip real estate contracts without ever taking possession of the property. This isn't a fixing to add value endeavor, just securing a contract and selling it to an interested party. That's it. You can do this with just a few $100s in most cases to open up escrow. There are companies dedicated to teaching how to do this, like REWW or YouTube. It's good for making a little bit of money, but is also potentially something more long-term as well. 3. Sell on Etsy or CafePress. If you can design digital items, you can sell them for a share of the profits on a site like CafePress. You can do this with nothing more than some design software. They can include custom logos, inspirational sayings and other topical or trending designs appealing to the masses. You could hire a designer to assist you with this, but you still need to come up with the ideas. This works best if you understand design yourself but requires no overhead. Items are printed and delivered on demand. You simply receive a share of the proceeds. Similarly, you could sell items on Etsy as well. 2. Do gigs on Fiverr. No matter what type of service you offer, you can likely offer at Fiverr. This is terrific for digital services such as graphic design, web design, short audio or video clip creation, editing services, writing and so on. Fiverr has expanded beyond just the $5 per gig model. Fiverr Pro pools the best talent on its platform. Depending on your skills, you could do considerably well on here. 1. Sell your photos. This is available worldwide. Of course, you need to be good at this to earn any money, but you You can sell photos on Shutterstock, iStock Photo, or Getty Images, to name a few, to generate a passive income from something you might be very passionate about. For a quicker way to earn by taking photos, get people looking for photographers to cover their wedding, engagement, child's birthday, or any other life event. You'll need a good camera and some experience, but you can definitely earn some income this way no matter where you live.